Alright, I have no idea what happened on the last video. It kind of sucks. It means I was talking and talking and talking for like 20 minutes. No video. Anyway, you also missed the joke. Alright, so I gotta do the whole joke all over again. It's okay. Alright, let's see if I can get a different one. Guy walks into a bar with a little monkey, a little chimpanzee. And the chimpanzee's all dressed up, a little hat, a little tie, a little suit. And guy walks in, you know, and bartender's kind of looking at him like, So, guy goes to the bar, goes, hey man, let me get a tequila. And the guy's like, dude, I can't believe this, man. You got a monkey, man. I have never had a monkey in my bar before, ever. He goes, yeah. He goes, let me just get my tequila, dude. So the guy pours him his drink, you know, and takes a shot. Meanwhile, the bartender's like freaking out, like pulling out his phone, like, dude, is it cool if I take a picture, man? I've never had a monkey here before. This is like crazy, dude. And look at it. You must be in the business. He's like, no, I'm not in the business. You know, just let me get another shot. So takes another shot. The bartender's like, dude, you must be some sort of like movie star, or like, dude, you must be in films. He's like, nope, not in films, man. Just actually here to just have another shot. Orders a drink, takes another shot. By this point, guy's kind of feeling it. Bartender's like, dude, I'm really sorry, man. It's just, I've never seen anything like this before. And the guy's like, well, it's kind of cool, you know. He goes, I'll show you something really cool. So he gets the monkey and he stands him on top of the bar. And he goes, pah! Punches him in the belly. And immediately, the monkey just jumps down, pulls the guy's pants down, and starts sucking his dick. And the guy's just like, yeah. The bartender's like, what the fuck's going on, man? I've never seen anything like that. And the guy's just like, yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? And the bartender's like, cool? That's the coolest shit I've ever seen, man. That fuck? And the guy's like, yeah, it's pretty cool. You wanna try it? And the bartender's like, no, man, it's cool, man. He's like, go on, man, try it. And the bartender's like, all right, just don't hit me so hard. All right. You missed that on the last video, so now I kind of have to go backwards because I don't know exactly where we kind of left off, but I kind of do. So, here. I know we hadn't touched these yet. More overalls. These are the ones, these are the original samples that I had done for that company, Riley, that eventually got sold to Saks. So it's kind of cool. $20. Same price. These are Dickies. 36 by 30. Oh yeah. They're soft. They're not all hard like when they are when you're brand new. These are all worn in. Comfortable. $20. Got this cool plaid dress. Strapless. 4 petite. You know, rock this with some really cool boots. Yeah, that's sexy. Halter top, chiffon. Wear it with ivory slacks or black slacks, or even some jeans. Very denim friendly. Dig the embellishment, yeah. Very glitzy. It's a nice chiffon. It's a size 42, but it's different country sizing. I wouldn't be able to give you the measurements on this. I could measure it for you though, but it's $10. If you're thin, put it on. Looks great with jeans. Wear it with some leggings. It's cool. We've got 2 tie-dye dresses. One which has like an asymmetric cut along the bottom. It's a size small, made by Revilla. cotton, very fresh. And this was a jersey. This is made by Fashion Nova. You could just tell me rainbow bamboo and I'll know which one you're talking about. Nice little spaghetti strap. $10. White House Black Market satin pencil skirt, size 00. And these are Donna Karan. I dyed these. It's kind of like a tortoise shell. That's what I was going for.